Acer Flagship CB3-532 15.6 inches HD Premium Chromebook. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Excellent alternative to Windows PCs. Finally. New. This is around $250, mine is refurbished for $120. And if it holds up, which I think it will, I'm walking away from Microsoft with their never-ending problems and buggy products. One thing, Chromebooks don't have DVD/CD drives or hard drives. A negative and a positive. But they offer abundant cloud storage. A positive and a negative. No drives means very few moving parts to break and very little heat to dissipate. I don't think they even have fans. Well, I am willing to spend $188 to test out this alternative path from MS, which I have been searching for years. Chromebooks have no operating system other than the Chrome browser. Google provides lifetime free virus protection, an entire suite of Office apps called Google Docs. No Outlook or MS Works needed. Plus hundreds more apps at no charge. Try it, you'll like it. The Chromebook OS lets her have immediate startup, while our Office 365 account allows her to use a full host of Microsoft products online, if she needs something outside the Google products. She had been extremely pleased and wished she would have purchased a Chromebook years ago. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.